In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use a great function of the new SAVI system known as My Save Searches. What this function does is it allows each user the ability to save favorite searches into one location for easy access each time you use the SAVI system. Once you've logged into the system, you select from the main menu bar Reports and then My Save Searches. A new screen appears called My Save Searches. There are 3 columns within the screen. The first column relates to the particular screen used for each of the searches. The second column provides a search name, and the third column provides a description. For this supplier, we've set up a period in time when the reports are required to be run. It's worth noting that both the second and third columns can be completed with descriptions desired by the user. As you see here, this supply test account has already been set up with some saved searches. The first thing you may notice is the similar descriptions for some of the reports to the existing SAVI system. Let's take a look at one from the list. Stock on hand, my crate stocks. This saved search looks for the stock on hand for all crate types. This is known in the new system as an inventory by asset type report. Once you've highlighted the desired report, then click on Load Search. The Inventory by Asset Type screen loads automatically when the search fields are already completed. The only thing to change is the date from the pop-up calendar, and then click on the Search button. Now you have the results of your search visible on the report. Okay, let's try another of the saved searches from the list. We'll just click on the cross here to close this screen. Orders yet to be collected. This search will look for any uncollected crate orders in the system. Again, just highlight the desired selection and click on the Load Search button. You'll see that some of the information in the status box and the vendor field are automatically completed, so we literally just need to click on the search button. And we can see here that we have 2 orders. They're in the system, ready for collection. Okay, let's show you how to save a search. We'll just close this screen down by clicking on the cross. Now to come to the menu bar, I'm going to select Manage Receipts. From this screen, we're going to search for deliveries of crates that have been received in to our test supplier. So these would be crates normally that would be picked up from a Logtech RIU. Let's look at the search field options. First we have the customer reference number. We don't know this yet, so we'll leave it blank to search all the reference numbers. The next we have is the docket number field. Again, we don't know this, so we'll leave this blank to search all docket numbers in the system. The next is the origin site. In here we're only interested in crates received from Melbourne RIU. So using the drop down box, we're going to select Laverton RIU. The next field is the destination field. This will be auto populated with your account unless you're responsible for multiple accounts. Next is the carrier field, which you must leave blank. The next field is the asset type field. In here we're going to select the crate types that we're interested in searching for. So from the drop down box, we're going to look for A crates, B crates, C crates and E crates. Next, the dispatch status box. From here we're going to look for anything that has been completed. A list of descriptions used in the system is available from our website to download, which will explain their meaning within the system. The next field is the brand field. Leave this blank. Moving further down, next is the receipt date field and the entered date. Leave the entered date field blank and enter your desired date range into the receipt date field. So we're going to look for everything from the start of this month until today's date. Then from there we're going to click on the search button. We see there are actually no orders and no deliveries have come into our site. To save this search, we're going to come to this icon here. You see a little box pops up that says load save search criteria. So we're just going to click on this once. Once we do, a small box appears in the center of the screen. The top half of the box lists any other saved searches from this screen. Underneath, where it asks for a search name and description, this is what we will use to give a name to the search that we have just created. So for this example, we're going to call this Collections from Victoria. And in the description, we'll set it as a weekly report. From there, just click on the Save button and the box automatically disappears. Now if I go back to My Saved Searches and click Search again, you'll see we now have the new report that we've just set up here, Collections from Victoria. If you decide at some point in the future you wish to delete one of the reports that are set up in the list, then simply highlight on the desired report that you wish to delete, come down to the button that says Delete Search, and you'll get a prompt box comes up in the center of the screen asking you if you want to confirm to delete this. We're just going to click on Yes. That is now deleted from our search screen. That concludes the tutorial for Save Search function. Please refer to our website for more information of how to use the SAVI system. www.createsurus.com.au